Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Meals. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients I bought for the week. This is pineapple and I bought it at 5 Ghana cedis. I also have my mango for 5 Ghana cedis. So this is tomatoes and it's half bowl or half konko. The konko they sold it at 30 cedis, 30 Ghana cedis. But I wanted half of it, so I bought it at 15 Ghana cedis. Very nice tomatoes. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. This is banana, and it's also 5 Ghana cedis. That is about 6 fingers of banana. I also have green chili pepper, and each one is 1 Ghana cedis. So I bought 3, making it 3 Ghana cedis. I'm going to put everything in this bowl. Afterwards, I'll wash it and store it in my fridge. This is my drain, which I bought for 5 Ghana cedis. And I have all-purpose flour too, and it's 10 Ghana cedis. I use this for my pastries and cakes. So this is okra. And I bought this one too for 4 Ghana cedis. Usually when you buy it, try to break the end part of it to see whether it is good. This is nutmeg. And it's also 4 cedis. I also have 3 coconuts that I bought. And I bought this 3 for 10 Ghana cedis. I usually use the coconuts for coconut bread, coconut milk, and other coconut related pastries. And I'll make sure I upload all these videos for you guys to see. I also have chicken that I bought, and I bought 2 kilos, and everything was 44 Ghana cedis. I also have salmon. That is the bigger ones. They usually have it in sizes big and small. She asked me which size I wanted, and I said I wanted the bigger ones. So she gave that one to me. I usually tell the people selling to cut the chicken and the salmon into the sizes that I want. And they do that for me so that when I get to the house, I just wash it and keep it in my fridge or freezer. I also have curry powder, and each one is 50 pesos. And I have green bell pepper too. I bought it for 5 cedis. I also have spring onions, which I bought for 2 Ghana cedis. And these are my carrots I bought, and I bought it for 5 Ghana cedis. I just love vegetables. And usually when I buy it this way, I use it for a week. Alila, how are you? Please share, like, and comment on this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. So this is sorghum leaves that I use to get the reddish color for my wachi or beans. So I also have corn dough here, and each one is 2 Ghana cedis. I use it for my banku or porridge for my kids. So this is banchimole, and each two is 2 Ghana cedis. So I bought 3. I usually mix the banchimole, that is cassava dough, with the corn dough to make my banku. I also bought palm oil for 10 Ghana cedis. This is 700 mils bottle for 10 Ghana cedis. So I also have tasty tom, 6 Ghana cedis, and I bought two. So I also have black pepper powder, and one is 50 pesos. I bought two of it. Thank you for watching, and I will continue to give you the best and nothing else. Bye.